This morning, we had a little mix-up. Son of a Rick misread the text that I sent him about this episode. Initially, this drink was going to be the cherry daiquiri, but it sucked balls, so I decided to switch it up and I made a Rum Runner instead. So I sent a text to Son of a Rick saying, cherry daiquiri sucks balls, change up to Rum Runner. He thought that meant we're mixing a cherry daiquiri sucks balls, changing up from a Rum Runner. So he wrote a whole script about sucking balls and brings it over this morning. Come on, man. Now we don't have a script, so we're gonna wing this one. Sorry in advance if it sucks balls. Usually I'd say something funny here, but given the situation, I'd like to start the drinking early. Today's victory shot is El Padrino. It's a tequila given to me as a gift at a tequila party about a week ago. I appreciate it, Ashley and James. That's a nice tequila. The Rum Runner was first mixed in a tiki bar in the Florida Keys with notes of blackberry and banana. It'll have you in a tropical mood in no time. 1 ounce of pineapple juice. One ounce of lime juice. One ounce of blackberry liqueur. First, we have to have ourselves a shot. Wow, that's sweet. One ounce of banana liqueur. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. It tastes like banana Fosters. One ounce of a dark rum. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Wow, that's strong. One ounce of a light rum, and first we have to have ourselves a shot. This summer cruise kind of got me a little woozy, or maybe I just have a buzz. Half ounce of grenadine. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Nah. And that's my Rum Runner. Today's word of wisdom is useful. Maybe not to you, but to me. You see, this segment is our X factor. Have you seen the other cocktail YouTubers? They're all the same. Boring. They suck. Not us. No. You find me one other channel with this level of content, integrity, and humility. I'm waiting. Balls, 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 balls.